You think you're tired because you didn't sleep enough. You think your anxiety is because there's a situation that is stressful. You think your body is simply breaking down. But what if your body is actually speaking to you? What if your pain, your exhaustion, your heaviness is carrying emotions you never fully processed? The human body remembers. It remembers everything. It remembers the heartbreak you pretended didn't hurt, the anger you swallowed to keep the peace, the fear you normalized, the tears you held back because you had to stay strong. And eventually, the body speaks what the soul can no longer suppress. Look closely at people. Some carry tension in their jaw. Others feel constant heaviness in their chest area. Some are battling gut issues for years. Some feel unexplained pain in their back, hips, shoulders, even neck. Modern life teaches us to silence the symptoms. So we take the pills, we keep working, keep functioning, keep distracting ourselves. But the body is not our enemy. The body is our subconscious mind that is conveying how it is feeling. Every unprocessed emotion leaves an imprint somewhere, not because your body wants to punish you, but because it wants to protect you. The jaw area, for example, holds the words you never said, the conversations you rehearsed in your head, the anger you tried to suppress, the truth you were afraid would make people leave. So you smiled, you stayed quiet, you decided to just move on. But the energy that is suppressed does not disappear. It settles into the body. Over time, the jaw tightens, the throat closes, because the body remembers every truth you abandoned to feel more accepted. The shoulders, for example, carry emotional responsibility. This is the energy of people who feel responsible for everyone. The one who became strong too early, the ones who carry entire family responsibilities, especially emotionally, while silently falling apart themselves. Such people who carry emotions and responsibilities they cannot handle will often suffer from issues in their shoulder or neck area. People say, "I'm fine," but their body says, "I'm exhausted from carrying what was never mine to hold." Heavy shoulders often belong to people who never learned how to rest without guilt. The chest is another area that carries a very deep emotion called grief. Not just heartbreak, sadness, grief. The grief of losing people, the grief of losing yourself, the grief of becoming who the world needed instead of who you truly were. Unprocessed sadness has weight, and sometimes anxiety is not danger. It is grief trapped inside a body that never felt safe enough to release it. Similarly, the stomach area. This is that part of the body that carries survival energy. Therefore, many times, it is storing stress that never switches off. When a person lives too long in emotional uncertainty, the nervous system stays in the protection mode. Always alert, always scanning, always preparing for pain, for danger. Eventually, the body forgets how to relax. That is why some people cannot rest even when situation may have calmed down a bit. Their body remembers chaos. And it is this chaos, this uncertainty, that keeps getting stored and stronger in the gut area. The lower back is another part of the body that carries fear around support, financial stress, emotional instability, the feeling that you must survive everything alone and that you're not understood enough. And therefore, people with back issues need to, along with medication, including some physical therapy, work on emotional stability, work on forgiveness. The hips, for example, store deep emotional memory. Old relationship, betrayal, shame, suppressed pain, the fear of moving forward while still emotionally being attached to the past is often going to show up as some of the other discomfort in the hips area. That is why healing is deeper than just positive thinking. You cannot manifest a peaceful reality with a nervous system that still feels it's unsafe. You cannot attract healthy love while carrying the emotional memory of being rejected and abandoned. You cannot create abundance by simply journaling or simply telling yourself, I am lucky, I deserve abundance. Because your body may still be living in survival. Manifestation is not only created by the conscious mind, it is created by the emotional patterns stored inside the body. Your energy is not just your thoughts. Your energy is your stored emotional state. Most people try to change their life without ever listening to their body. But healing begins the moment you stop asking, what is wrong with me? And start asking, what has my body been trying to say all this while? Your body has been protecting you for years, even through the anxiety, even through the exhaustion, even through the pain. The body is not betraying you. It is communicating with you. And healing is not becoming someone new. It's finally becoming safe enough to feel what you spent your whole life avoiding. Once the body feels safe, the energy will change. The nervous system will change. Your choices will change. Your relationships will change. Slowly, your outcomes will begin to change too. Now, before you continue with the rest of your day, let's take this awareness at a deeper level. Let's do a short meditation together to release this pain and emotional discomfort. Close your eyes for a moment. Make sure your spine is erect while the rest of your body is relaxed. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale gently through your mouth. Let's do this one more time. Breathe in gently through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your hands be free. Just notice what part of your body feels heavy right now. Is it chest, stomach, throat, shoulders, back? Without judging it, simply place your awareness there. Now, silently say to yourself, I no longer need to carry what is hurting me. My body deserves healing. My body deserves safety. It is safe for me to let go. I can heal what I can feel. I choose to feel peace, love, freedom, joy. Take another deep breath in. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly through your mouth. And repeat the word relax with me 3 times. Relax. 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 As you now feel a relaxation in your mind and body, imagine years of stress and tension leaving your body. Imagine every part of your body finally hearing the words, you can rest. You can be free. You are loved. You are supported. God is there with you always. Everything will be okay. Let's take another deep breath in. Placing both your palms on your chest, imagine breathing in peace. Exhaling any pressure that you have been carrying for years. Imagine breathing in safety as you smile and exhaling the need to hold on to the past, memories of guilt, anger, and resentment. Keeping a smile on your face, gently rub your chest and remind yourself, your body has been protecting you all this long. It deserves your love and attention. Say, I love you, my dear body. I'm grateful for you and for all that you've been doing for me. I promise to take good care of you. I promise to think good thoughts and good feelings. It's now time I start listening to you more and more. Thank you for always being there for me. God's love and light is with us in every part of our mind and body. From today, I'm going to carry this positive healing energy with me wherever I go. Let's take another deep breath in now. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Relax. Now slowly open your eyes. Remember, healing begins the moment your body feels safe enough to let go. And sometimes all you need is a gentle reminder. It's okay to release. It's okay to let go. It's okay to feel. It's okay to trust. After all, the body has its own wisdom, and the universe is always willing to guide us. All we need to do is seek guidance. Take action when something doesn't feel right in the body. Remember, your body remembers everything your mind tries to forget. But it also remembers how to heal. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.
If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.